Nice! It's time for the next one. So last week you saw the umbrellas, and this week you will see the buttons. So I noticed when I did the umbrellas that this is not the whole image. So we've got a whole lot more. Well, not a lot more, but a little bit more. So today we will do the buttons, and let's see how far this one expands. And I think this will be fun because the buttons, they do have a little bit of variety in shape. Well, they are all round, but some have 4 little holes, some have 2, so that won't be too hard. And yes, I'm excited. So let's do it. And as if you can see here, nothing very special, just buttons in all shapes. Well, round. Oh, that one looks a little bit surprised if you take that away. So, lots of buttons in different colors. That one was fun to do. It really was. So the quality isn't top-notch with Cardinal. The pieces are quite thin, but I really enjoy the piece variety. And they do click together, so yeah, it's okay. The quality is fine, and I'd rather have thin pieces with a piece variety than like thick pieces, but just the standard puzzle piece. Alright, let's move on to the next.